The world is changing, and not necessarily for the better. Outmoded business practices and unsustainable development threaten the very nature we depend on for survival. But 5G technology offers hope for a greener future. Hi, I'm Ronald van Loon, and I'm a T-Mobile for Business partner. And I delve into how 5G technology can change the current paradigm. Now, 8 years ago, my family and I took a vacation to the south of France, where we stayed at a large lake. And it was stunningly beautiful and ecological diverse. We returned last year, but the lake was almost gone. Only a small fraction of it remained. And this was a tangible proof of our planet's vulnerability, and left me wondering, how can we, as a business and as individuals, leverage technology to turn the tide? And the answer is 5G technology. Now, let me explain and give 5 examples. Now, business meetings and events, while vital for your networking and for your growth, also contribute to the environmental issues like pollution. Now, and the 5G technology, which paves the way for augmented reality and virtual reality meetings. Now, these virtual meetings, supported by 5G's high speed and low latency, create immersive, real-time collaboration without travel and reducing the carbon footprint. But additionally, 5G facilitates the inclusion and the enriched content, such as 3D models in the virtual meetings, or outpacing the capabilities of traditional gatherings. And in essence, 5G is the key to maximizing AR and VR meetings, making them not only greener, but also more productive and more inclusive. Second example, energy in the form of electricity makes a modern world possible, but inefficient networks and systems create pollution and waste. Two answers to these pressing issues are the creation of smart grids and the implementation of intelligent energy management. Now, according to Secra, the 5G-enabled cloud computing and edge computing ease computational burdens and ensures that smart grids can operate in a distributed, secure, and a stable way. Now, 5G also enables ample bandwidth for intelligent energy management systems. Another example, we cannot neglect the impact of buildings that have on resources and energy production and the environment either. Now, according to the United Nations Environment Programme, construction and building energy consumption are responsible for up to 50% of the climate change. And the USGBC points out that green buildings and smart technology, like IoT-enabled building automation and predictive maintenance systems, can help to change the situation. And 5G delivers the robust connectivity and stability necessary for these systems to operate. Now, combine these capabilities with the ever-advancing IoT devices, and it becomes possible to create smart buildings capable of managing power consumption based on demand and proactively scheduling maintenance to prevent outages and damage that cause waste and additional cost. A supply chain example. Now, COVID-19 highlighted how tightly connected a global supply chain is and how important it is to manage the supply chain sustainably. And enhanced supply chain transparency, what's coming from where, from when, transported by whom, and where the components that go into the manufacturing part come from, are all parts of this process. Now, 5G technology provides substantially improved visibility into the supply chains to help prevent disruptions, to digitize warehouses, and to supply chain processes. Now, the technology, low latency and dramatically reduced power consumption, combined with the enhanced data speeds, allow manufacturers and suppliers to move quickly yet confidently. Now, manufacturers, logistic companies, and suppliers around the world, they can also tap into the capabilities of 5G-tied IoT devices. Now, with this supercharged data transfer speeds and the unprecedented levels of connectivity, sensors can now detect damaged products to prevent them from being shipped and replace them with these undamaged products faster than human quality control professionals can. Now, not only does this save time and money in the traditional processes, but it builds brand values too. For instance, customers, they are no longer faced with prospects of receiving damaged products, dealing with return authorization processes, and shipping the products back to the manufacturer or the supplier, and then waiting on the replacements to arrive. Now, manufacturers and suppliers that never send damaged products in the first place automatically enjoy better brand value and much better customer trust. And last, the transportation sector. Now, autonomous robots can also play a role. Solutions like Cleven1, they can collect orders at warehouses, retail stores, dark stores, but also micro-fulfillment centers, and then deliver those goods to businesses and to consumers more efficiently than any other option. And 5G technology allows those robots to do so accurately, safely, but also autonomously. Now, Cleven1 might sound a little bit new to Americans, but the company has been delivering throughout Europe for years now. And the autonomous robots use 5G technology, including cameras, radar, and other type of sensors to map the surroundings to take this real-time action. Now, as you can see, 5G technology enables more sustainable work practices, energy efficient solutions, smarter and more sustainable buildings, empowers better supply chain management, and even improves the autonomous vehicle operation and safety. I'd like to thank T-Mobile for Business for sharing their insights into the many ways 5G technology can help us to create a greener and more sustainable world. I'm Ronald van Loon, and this is The Intelligent World.